Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to insert one picture onto another in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So simply take this image. Okay, at first need to change one settings. Open your main settings page, go to Galaxy AI, Photo Assist. Make sure to turn on Photo Assist option and turn on this. Okay, open photo again and select a photo. Click on pen option, click on. Look at the right corner, tap on three dot, add from gallery, and select any photo. Select, click on, press on done. Okay, and you just easily place anywhere. And now successfully set up.